SRC Babayaga EXS. So naka metal slide, metal yung frame, may underrail na for attachment, and then may thread na rin. So thread cover, color silver, naka fiber optic sights. So naka fixed barrel na rin yan, and then magwell nya is silver din. So dual power system, pwede siya sa CO2, pwede sa gas. And then magazine capacity is 26 rounds. So out of the box, ang kasama niyang gas, ang magazine is gas type. So may kasama na rin siyang case. By the way, shoutout kay Sir Nathaniel. So ito yung case niya, guys. Okay, so test natin. 389, 381, for details, PM lang kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby Shop.